Sneeze and lose reality. Every time I sneeze, the mug on my desk changes color, or my cat's eyes shift shade, but nobody else notices, except me. Last night, after my third sneeze, my bedroom door became a solid wall, and my phone no longer remembered my mom's number. I tried explaining to my best friend, but she just stared blankly and asked, "Who's mom?" Each time, the world tilts a bit more, and I'm the only one who remembers what's lost. Today, after a fitful sneeze, I saw a shadow in my peripheral vision, a shape that flickers, watching, and seems to grow sharper with every change. As I sneeze again, it whispers my name, and I realize it's not following the changes, it's hunting me through them.